Hello ladies and fellas, I'm teaching how to remove a RAM memory out of your notebook or laptop. First thing first, we're gonna need our anti-elastic wristband. And for extra safety, we're using the static mat. What is a static mat? It's this right here. What's it do? When you grab stuff on your hardware, on your laptop or notebook, you're opening it up and taking it out, electricity comes out of your hand. So I'm wearing this static wristband so I don't damage the hardware when I'm taking it out. It's very important when you use these stuff. You never know what can happen. For extra safety, I took out this just leave the laptop. No problem. We took out the battery. We're gonna plug the AC adapter. Get into the inside the RAM memory on the hard drive on the hardware. A little something like this. So you got a escape button. Side by F5. Carefully take out the keyboard. We already took out the keyboard. Now the RAM memory is right there. The hard drive is right there. So what we want to do is remove the RAM memory out of there. So we're going to gently take out the latch, lower it. There we go. There's your RAM memory. Now to reinstall it, put it back in. Same way you put it out, same way you put it back in. There should be a click, so you put it the right way. Put everything back together and test it and see if it works. Just click it. You hear 4 clicks and you put the keyboard back the right way. Okay, install the RAM memory to reinstall it. Let's check this, see if it works. Look at the EC and turn it up. Let's turn on the computer and see if it works. check out my other